In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Wix. We'll be walking through each step carefully to ensure you have a smooth experience. Let's dive in. First, open your Wix dashboard. This is your control center for all things Wix. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the App Market. The App Market is where you can find various tools to enhance your site. It's like a toolbox filled with all the extras you might need. In the App Market, search for Wix Online Programs or Wix Courses. These are the tools that will allow you to create and manage your courses seamlessly. Finding the right tool is crucial because it sets the foundation for your course. Now, click Add to Site and install it. This step integrates the course feature into your site. You should see a confirmation once the installation is complete. This ensures that the tool is ready for use. With that ready, navigate to Online Programs or Courses in your dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to your courses. Think of it as your course command center. Next up, click Create New Program. This is where the magic begins. You're starting the process of building your course from scratch. Here, add your course title, description, and cover image. The title and description are what entice potential students, so make them compelling. The cover image adds a visual appeal, setting the tone for your course. After that, click Add Step or Lesson. This is where you start putting together the content of your course, step by step. Now, add your content. This can include text, video, images, and files. By diversifying your content, you cater to different learning styles. This step is crucial because high-quality content engages your students. Once your content is in, arrange the lessons in order. A logical flow helps learners progress smoothly through the material. Proper organization saves time and enhances the learning experience. At this point, choose your course type, self-paced or scheduled. This decision affects how students interact with your course. Self-paced allows flexibility, while scheduled provides structure. Next, set the duration or progress tracking if you wish. While optional, these features can enhance the learning experience by guiding students through the material at a steady pace. After that, set the pricing for your course if you choose to charge. This can be a great way to monetize your expertise. Setting a fair price can attract more students while valuing your work. Now, connect your payment method. You can choose Wix Payments or PayPal. This step is vital because it ensures a smooth transaction process for your students. You will see a confirmation once the payment method is connected. With all that done, click Publish. Publishing makes your course live and accessible to your audience. It's the moment when all your hard work comes to fruition. After publishing, add the course to your site menu. This makes it easy for visitors to find and enroll in your course. A visible course link can significantly increase enrollment. Finally, share your course link. Promote it through your network and social media. Sharing helps reach a wider audience, increasing the chances of attracting more students. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create and share your course on Wix. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching!